Hey there, if you just downloaded TI Pro version 5.9.1, you have just saved yourself a ton of time and you've given yourself a very short learning curve. And you're basically being introduced to something that nobody else has been able to use up until now at Trade Ideas. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the new AI Assistant. It's accessed right here through the toolbar under New AI Assistant. It opens up into a dock window. And real quick, you can see we've got some help examples. You can just explain configurations. So at any time, you can ask the AI questions about the software, how to do something. It's like it's a whole reference of help indexes. It's an amazing reference. But here is where it gets incredibly interesting. I am now going to turn on the microphone and I'm going to ask Holly to give me a scan, and Holly is going to actually make the scan for us. And if it has any questions, the AI, Holly, she'll ask for more clarification. But let's see if we can come up with a scan that shows us stocks that have gapped up at least 10%. And these are stocks that normally do good volume, so we'll call it 500,000 shares average a day. It's going to give us a list of ideas that are up on the day on either news or important volume, and we don't even have to worry about configuring it. Watch how easy this is. I'm going to click this on right now. Hey, Holly, show me a list of stocks that have gapped up 10% or more and do an average daily volume of 500,000 shares per day over 3 months. All right, there's our query. And there's the configuration of the top list, and the top list has just been created for you. Look at that. And Holly has gone ahead and sorted by gap percent. That's pretty incredible. Maybe we want to sort by something different. Hey, Holly, let's go ahead and sort this scan by relative volume, please. There you go. If you don't know how to sort, you just ask the AI. She's there to help. And this is just the beginning of how you can interact with our new AI chatbot to configure what you want or get the immediate support you want on the weekend if our support staff isn't available. Again, you've just saved yourself a lot of time by downloading this version. If you have any questions, email us at info@trade-ideas.com. But enjoy playing with this new tool. It is incredible.